Did you know that snakes can sense earthquakes days before they happen? Snakes are incredibly sensitive to vibrations and can detect seismic waves from an earthquake up to 75 miles away. They often react by slithering out of their hiding places or behaving erratically. In some cases, snakes have been observed, leaving their burrows long before any tremors are felt by humans. This heightened sensitivity is due to their unique ability to pick up low-frequency vibrations through their skin and jaw bones. Nature's warning system is truly remarkable.